Oh, and talk about burying the lead. And this is when you go, take 2, take 3. Where can you find a rental in Sosua for $400 a month? Well, how about here? This, don't tell me there's an ad. This is Tropicana Sur. This is what you get. It's a half floor up off the ground. So there's a few stairs getting into it. I don't know. It's probably 70 meters. Let's call it 700 square feet. This is how it looked yesterday. It's not like Airbnb-pretty, but long-term, completely functional. Empty wine bottles come with it. I don't know why they're still there. It's got a full bath, and I've seen other agents back in the day claim that this is a 2-bedroom. No, it's not a 2-bedroom because this bedroom's off the first bedroom. So if a room flows through, if you have to go through a bedroom to get to another bedroom, then it's not a bedroom. It's like a nursery or a huge walk-in closet or maybe an office or something like that. But in Tropicana Sur, you're not finding anything for rent in this country for this type of money and this quality. It's a good deal. Probably worth $500 or $600 a month. I asked her to give it to me for $400 because it's high season right now. Sorry, it's low season right now. High season's coming, and I can easily rent this from November to March for 6 months for $700 a month. But right now, it's $400 because I want a long-term tenant. You're guaranteed for a year at that rate. They're not going to raise your rate. They'll probably raise it next year. Probably $50 because it's a lost leader. But they just want to know that their investment is taken care of, that the bills are getting paid, and there's a good, solid tenant in there. We've been pretty lucky with the tenants. They've taken good care of this place. So Tropicana Sur, $400 a month. That is the unit. This is as many stairs as you need to traverse to get into this unit. Excuse me, right here. $400 USD plus. You have to take care of your own electricity. You have to take care of your own internet access. And if you want 2,000 channels, I got you. It's going to cost you, but not much. $15 a month, roughly. And here is where it's at. So this is a close-up of the unit. This is the 5. It's on the way to the airport, which is this way. Ooh, better cut. Here. Tropicana Sur, they will show you pictures if you go to the website, the Google, see photos. I have the full video there, so you shouldn't need much more than that. I'll probably put this video up soon. Nice little condo building. It is a little close to the road, so you will hear the traffic, but it's passing. Puerto Chiquito. And there's a beach down there too. Okay, so back to the map. No, we're not asking Stanley. Okay, the map. Tropicana Sur. Okay, here we go. This is where the unit is right here. It's right at the end of the building, so you don't have neighbors on this side. You don't really have neighbors on this side either because, you do, but they're not like immediately. Well, they are. They're in front of you here. So this is the unit right here. And then you've got a unit beside you on that one side. Okay, so this is the 5 on the way to the airport. It's past a Sosua Bajo. And so what I'm going to do is keep can you see me? Am I still on? Okay, here we go. So here we are. Tropicana Sur is here. This is Playa Puerto Chiquito. Now, do you know that old burnt-out hotel? Abandoned. It's not burnt out, but abandoned. It used to be Sandcastle. I have a video on my YouTube channel. You might even be able to find it on Twitter or X. This is that hotel. You can see it from here. Playa Sosua. It doesn't look like you can see it, but you can see it from here. So this is Tropicana Sewer here. Here's the 5. This is, you have to go all the way around and down. So here we're at down here somewhere, right? There's the 5. You're going out of town. There's a Polero right here. You go out of town. That's the main access to the beach, to Playa Sosua. And then you go out of town and around and down through Sosua Bajo, and then right here. This is Sosua Bajo, and this is Tropicana Sewer. Here's the beach, and all in here is some abandoned buildings. There's some occupied buildings here. Obviously, Casablanca's being used at some level. And obviously, this hotel's completely abandoned. But there's still, this is one of the nicest beaches down here. It's, you know, it's completely protected. So it's like a bay. So you're not getting a lot, you know, riptides are not a thing in that beach. Or nor are they a thing in this beach. You know, where you will find a nasty riptide is down here. Playa Chiquita, I think. No, that's Playa Laguna. Where's Playa Chiquita? Right here. Maria Restaurante. Here's Playa. No. Where's Playa Chiquita? I'm really struggling here, aren't I? Where's Playa Chiquita? Am I still on? Am I still live? Is anyone watching? I should be able to find it by just looking at it, but why is it not showing me where it's at? Hello? Hello? Let's do will this work? Is this it? Yeah, there's Playa Chiquita. Okay, here's Caribbean Diamond. I've also got this listed for 1.2. She will hold half paper. I haven't talked about that for a long time, but it's still available. This is a little beach down by the Playa Chiquita, what's it called? Casino. There's access right here off a little side street. If you go in here while it's windy, you could get taken down here. And down here. And down here. Like, I mean, if you know how to swim out of a riptide, then you're good, but be careful if you're going down to Playa Chiquita. Okay? Because this little beach right here has got a bad reputation. And because it's so tiny here, you got to be really careful when you get in there. If it's any type of serious action on the ocean, beware. Man, I'm really filling you up with information today, huh? All right, so I'm not sure where we were or what I was doing here. Oh, the rental. So for $400 a month, that's where you're at. Okay? So here's Sosua. Here's Sosua Beach. Here's Tropicana Sewer. So, Sure. All right, so you just come here, you drive around here, and then this is it. It's right on the road here. It's not too loud. Again, it's passing, and it's mostly high speed, so it's not too bad. And then you've got access to Playa Puerto Chiquito. Aquí, and then I'm not sure, I don't know of a way, and the fishermen come off here every morning. And this is Los Chiramicos. So if you walk down here, you can actually get to Sosua Beach this way through Los Chiramicos and then come down here to Sosua Beach. But as far as driving, you have to go all the way around. and then come in here. Puerto, Playa, Chiquita. And then you can drive right down to the beach here. And here's the condo. $400 USD per month available now. So if that's what you came for, it took you 50 minutes to get to the prize. You know, the Cracker Jack prize is always at the bottom. You got to go through the whole box first. And in this case, the whole box is my incessant rambling. And that's all I got for you. Peace, love, hug your neighbor, and I am out.